guys, this is Lana again. So today, this is a creation set and it's new from Toys R Us. I'm so excited to share it with you. Also, its name is Play-Doh Kitchen Creations. So, I got it from Toys R Us. So, you see here there's an ice cream. It makes ice cream like an ice cream factory. Okay, it's time to open it. I'm so excited to share it with you. Wow. Look it. I think this is the part that you have to pour the frosting. And it has so much nice decorations we can put in our ice cream. Okay. Wow. This has more decorations. Wow. Okay. So you see all of these stuff? Okay, let's finish on. This is a big thing. Okay. It came with pink, yellow, green, orange, and a little lighter pink. So, let's go on to these instructions and let's see what's on them. So step one was this, and you put this here to finish. Okay, and step two is to put this here. Okay, so to make sure you click these into the sides so it can be like better. So step three is we have to put this on top of here. My dad is helping me connect this part. Yahoo! Fourth step is to put this here. And then fifth step is it has 3 different cones. So you can pick a cone and put it there. I would pick this cone. Okay. And you just connect on my last base. Okay. Now we're gonna connect the cones on to the bases. The one's kind of hard. Okay. I'm so excited to make my first ice cream cone. So make sure, kids, you don't mix colors. If you mix colors, you might not be able to make the ice cream. So I'm just gonna do, you have to do one color like pink, and you have to do the frosting another color because it won't be able to be an ice cream anymore. So now I'm gonna see this, how it works. 2 colors. Start with pink. Wow. Now we have to start this. I'm putting them in the cones. So I'll take this. I just thought we use the whole Play-Doh. Okay. Always remember, you have to put this part in. And then here's the part. So now we take this out, put it here, and then we'll start the moldings. Moldings, okay? If you're having trouble taking out the molds. So this is what you do. The easiest way is to take a little piece of Play-Doh. You see this? That's the easiest way. Okay. I made 3 toppings. And now I'm going to put them on my ice cream. It's so exciting. Okay, here's my ice cream. I got my Play-Doh in. So now I'm going to press down. Okay, we're done. Take this mold out. Just finished making my 4 ice creams. I had so much fun. I love being artistic, so heart ice cream, and the heart is yellow, you see. I have a star ice cream. You see the star is yellow. Also, I have a little donut ice cream. It's pink. Here I have a little raspberry ice cream. See it really close. And I had really fun making it. I'm just about to make my last ice cream. I just finished making these 4 ice creams. Make sure your baby brothers or sisters don't eat this Play-Doh. Tell them it's not good for eating. Okay, so I hope you like my video. Overall, I really like this toy. It's a good toy. It's easy to build. And I love this toy.